We are still waiting on a number of big decisions from the Supreme Court, this including its ruling on a court case that could overturn Roe v. Wade. That case legalized abortion nationwide. The final decisions could come down as a leaked draft opinion published in May showed a majority of conservative justices were ready to strike down that landmark ruling. Last Friday, the Iowa Supreme Court voted to overturn the 2018 decision that established Iowans' fundamental right to abortion.
After the verdict of this ruling circulated the city, details of what this means for current abortion laws have been unclear for some. Local 5's Larissa Leone spoke with the Iowa Attorney General on what the laws are now.
After the Iowa Supreme Court reached a majority rule to overturn the 2018 decision that established Iowa's fundamental right to abortion, questions emerged from many on what the ruling meant for other abortion laws here in Iowa. The 24-hour waiting period abortion law is among those in question, leaving people to wonder, is it still being enforced or not? I reached out to the spokesperson of the Iowa Supreme Court, Lynn Hicks, and he provided me with information that walks us through the court's procedure. He says the Iowa Supreme Court ruling is not considered final until the case moves from the Supreme Court to the District Court, which happens 21 days after the ruling on July 8th. The waiting period law is not in effect until that time. Planned Parenthood or other providers, of course, are free to voluntarily comply with the law if they so choose. Iowa's Attorney General says the Iowa Medical Board is in charge of enforcing the 24-hour waiting period. We reached out to the board and have not heard back at this time. Until the ruling, everything will remain as it has been. ACLU of Iowa is currently representing Planned Parenthood, and Veronica Fowler, the representative with the ACLU of Iowa, says they commend the statements made by the Iowa Attorney General.
We're glad that the Attorney General's office has said that the state will not enforce the law before it goes back to district court, which is likely in July. Right now, Planned Parenthood is evaluating the best way to serve its patients during this period of time.
As for what we can expect on other aspects of abortion laws, July is the time we can see finalized decisions being made. Make sure to check online at weareiowa.com for updated abortion coverage. Larissa Leone, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.